Hey guys, I'm Maggie. I'm going to be showing you how you can feed 1.5 million people a day by playing free rice.
What's free rice?
Glad you asked. Free rice is a trivia game that donates grains of rice for every correct question answered to people in third world countries. But wait, there's more. The third block class that acquires the most grains of rice will win a Raisin Cane's party. Here's how to play.
Open up your computers and go to freerice.com. First, enter your birth date. The trivia questions will appear in the middle of the screen.
Get to clicking.
Yes! Got some rice.
Woohoo!
Or you can select the 3 bars in the top left and click categories to change your category.
Let's do some geography. Boo.
Your time starts now.